Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we're talking about BMW remote head keys. This is they're called the EWS system, and these are for 98 to 2006 BMW. A lot of 3 Series use these and 5 Series. And these are actually what are called rechargeable batteries. As you can see, this customer brought his key in and he tried opening it because his battery died and he thought he could open it and change the battery, but they're glued together for a reason, because you're not supposed to open them up, and the car actually charges the battery. Okay, now we have a battery tester over here, and as you can see, the light, normally when you press the button on the remote, the light will come on. It shows that it's working. It's not. So what we can do for you here at the Keyless Shop is when that happens, this remote's dead. But what we can do is we have a program here, and we can actually copy the frequency of this remote. And as you can see right here, if you zoom in, we got the BMW remote right there. And we've copied the frequency. And now we're going to go ahead and create the key. Let me show right here. And I'm creating the key. Okay, remote created successfully. So now what we've done is we've copied this remote, and we're going to put it into one of these types of remotes. And on these, you can actually change the battery. So these do come with a battery. That's the circuit board, and then the remote goes in here. And that would be the remote. So you'd still have this to start the car, and we make these for $75, and that's programmed to your car. And then when the car's here, we'll go program it. It only takes us about 20 minutes, and that's one solution. Don't open these at home. You're not supposed to open them. The car recharges them. You got to be real careful because a lot of people open them and then you can break the chip and the car won't start. So instead, come by and see us. We can copy the frequency into a simple remote like this. That way you can continue to lock and unlock your car. You don't have to go to the dealer and spend a fortune on a brand new key.